Hey guys, Troy here with another installation tip. Today we're going to be talking about using a top row cutter on cut pile residential carpet. A good top row cutter is typically going to have two blades, one on the left side and one on the right side. The reason for that is this portion of the top row cutter acts as a guide to run down the carpet. By sliding one of the blades down on this side, I can, as I'm inside the row, I can cut closer to this left side of the nap, leaving more backing on the right side. So for example, this side would be the piece that I would use for my seam. If I was using this side for my seam, I would want to put this blade back up, drop this blade down into place, row cut the carpet this way so that I'm closer to the nap on the side that I'm using for my seam. So as a rule, whichever side of the carpet that you're cutting that you will be using for your seam, that's the side that you want the blade down on. To row cut the carpet, we're simply going to locate the row, which as in our other video we showed using a metal knitting needle. To give yourself a guide, find out where that row is. Okay, so once we've identified where the row is, I'm assuming I'm going to keep this piece for my seam side. So I'm going to lower the blade that is on that side. I then insert the top row cutter into the line that I've already created as a guide, and just simply push the top row cutter down the seam, making a nice straight cut. So this is the piece that we've cut in preparation of making our seam. And as you can see, because we've cut closer to the backing, or closer to the nap on this side through the backing, we've left minimal backing showing there. And if you look all the way down, we've got a nice, straight, even cut to our carpet. The next step for this would be to add latex, and we will go over latex or seam sealing in another video. Thanks for watching.